Welcome to a refreshing exploration of nutritional science, as we dive into the world of watermelons and their incredible health benefits. Bursting with sweet juiciness and vibrant colors, watermelons are not only a delicious summer treat but also a nutritional powerhouse. In this journey, we will uncover the remarkable array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that make watermelon a fantastic addition to your diet. From its high water content to its potential impact on hydration, heart health, and beyond, join us as we uncover the science behind the countless reasons why watermelon deserves a prime spot on your plate. The hydration hero. As we venture deeper into the world of watermelons and their nutritional wonders, let's start with a fundamental aspect: hydration. Watermelon's high water content makes it a top-tier choice for keeping you hydrated, especially during hot summer months. Consisting of about 90% water, this juicy fruit can contribute significantly to your daily fluid intake, helping maintain proper bodily functions, promoting skin health, and supporting overall well-being. The combination of water and electrolytes found in watermelon aids in balancing your body's hydration levels, which is crucial for various physiological processes. Staying well hydrated supports digestion, circulation, and the elimination of waste products. So, whether you're lounging by the pool or engaged in a workout, watermelon can be your go-to natural hydrator. Nutrient richness unveiled. Beyond its hydrating properties, watermelon boasts an impressive nutrient profile that makes it a standout addition to your diet. This vibrant fruit is a great source of vitamins A and C, both of which play essential roles in immune function, skin health, and vision. Vitamin A supports the health of your skin and mucous membranes, while vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage and supports collagen production. But that's not all. Watermelon also contains significant amounts of B vitamins such as B1, thiamine, B5, pantothenic acid, and B6, pyridoxine, which contribute to energy metabolism and the proper functioning of the nervous system. Additionally, watermelon holds a moderate amount of potassium, a mineral that assists in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and supports heart health. Antioxidant powerhouse. Delving deeper, we uncover watermelon's treasure trove of antioxidants. One of the star players in this regard is lycopene, a powerful carotenoid pigment responsible for the fruit's red hue. Lycopene is renowned for its potential health benefits, particularly its role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Studies suggest that lycopene may contribute to heart health by helping lower blood pressure and reducing oxidative stress. Moreover, lycopene's antioxidant properties are linked to its potential in reducing the risk of certain types of cancer, such as prostate cancer. Its ability to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body makes it a valuable component of a health-conscious diet. Heart health and beyond. As we continue our exploration, we encounter the potential impact of watermelon on cardiovascular health. The combination of lycopene, citrulline, an amino acid, and other beneficial compounds in watermelon may contribute to improved heart health. Some research suggests that regular consumption of watermelon might help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart-related conditions. Beyond its heart protective effects, watermelon's citrulline content holds promise for enhancing exercise performance. Citrulline is converted to arginine in the body, which can enhance blood flow and reduce muscle soreness, potentially improving endurance and recovery for athletes. Culinary versatility and enjoyment. Embracing the culinary side of watermelon, we discover its versatile nature in various dishes. From refreshing salads and salsas to hydrating beverages and frozen treats, watermelon's naturally sweet and juicy flavor can elevate both sweet and savory dishes. Its vibrant colors and distinctive taste make it a crowd pleaser, whether enjoyed on its own or incorporated into creative recipes. Inclusivity and practical tips. Before we conclude our journey through the health benefits of watermelon, let's address its inclusivity. Watermelon is naturally gluten-free, low in calories, and suitable for many dietary preferences, making it a versatile choice for individuals with varying nutritional needs. To fully embrace the benefits of watermelon, consider these practical tips. Select a ripe watermelon by looking for a uniform shape, dull skin, and a hollow sound when tapped. Store it in a cool, dry place before cutting, and experiment with different ways to enjoy it, from blending it into smoothies to using it as a base for refreshing summer beverages. The sweet rewards of nutritional excellence. As we bid farewell to this exploration of watermelon's health benefits through the lens of nutritional science, we are reminded of the remarkable journey we've taken. From its hydrating prowess to its antioxidant-rich content, watermelon emerges as a true nutritional gem. Its potential to support hydration, heart health, and overall well-being showcases its versatility and importance in a balanced diet. So, whether you're savoring a slice under the sun, creating culinary delights in the kitchen, or Simply seeking a delicious way to enhance your health, remember that the benefits of watermelon extend far beyond its delectable taste. By incorporating this juicy wonder into your routine, you're not only treating your taste buds but also nurturing your body with a symphony of nutrients that science continues to unveil. Watermelon seeds, often overlooked, actually offer several health benefits that can contribute to your overall well-being. Here are 3 notable health benefits of watermelon seeds. 1. Nutrient richness. Watermelon seeds are surprisingly nutritious, containing a variety of essential nutrients. They are a good source of protein, healthy fats, and dietary fiber. Protein is crucial for muscle maintenance and repair, while healthy fats are important for various bodily functions, including supporting heart health. The dietary fiber in watermelon seeds can aid in digestion and help regulate bowel movements, promoting gastrointestinal health. 2. Rich in micronutrients. Watermelon seeds are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They contain significant amounts of magnesium, which plays a role in muscle and nerve function, as well as bone health. Additionally, watermelon seeds provide iron, a mineral essential for transporting oxygen in the blood and preventing anemia. These micronutrients are essential for maintaining your overall health and vitality. 3. Potential antioxidant benefits. Watermelon seeds contain antioxidants, including vitamin E and certain phenolic compounds. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and protect your cells from damage caused by harmful molecules known as free radicals. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods into your diet, like watermelon seeds, can contribute to your body's defense against various chronic diseases and support your overall health. However, it's important to note that watermelon seeds are relatively high in calories, so moderation is key, especially if you're watching your calorie intake. Additionally, some people might find watermelon seeds difficult to digest, so roasting or sprouting them can make them more palatable and easier to consume. As with any dietary change, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant adjustments to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey towards a healthier and happier life. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share it with your friends and family.